Hi Vicky, so first of all, in regards to the video that you sent me, you used different heads, different screws. The ones you used were flat. These look like bolts. So, I mean, maybe this, if you gave us the right screws, that might help a little bit too. But honestly, in regards to the way that the manufacturer designed this, or the machinist, it's very incorrect. As you can tell, these other ones here are loose. They're not all the way on yet. They're loose, right? The other one back here is loose. In regards to these two here, you just can't align it in order to place a screw in it. So there's a screw, right? Look at that. When I go down, how am I supposed to go in there? I can force it, and I mean, I work out every day, and I can't do it. That is an issue. Right there. I mean, you get a customer, if they struggle like that, they won't even bother. They will return it right away. That's not on all the way, and it's like it's tight, like if it's screwed in all the way. Show the unevenness from this part here to the screw. It's not flat. It's like supposed to be bent like that. Now show this end. Now this end got a little better after I forced the other side, but still, if I place the screw in, it doesn't go into the hole right away. You have to force it this side, hold it there, and screw it on. And it's not easy. It might look like I'm finally doing it, yeah, but the point is, how easy is it to put it together?